Oh shit, I wasn't muted for the cough. Sorry. Okay, let's get this started. So, hello. Yeah, so I actually planned to like stream yesterday and the day before, but yeah, I got a little bit sick. So I was like, taking it easy. And yeah, I don't know how long I can do today because of the like being sick thing. But I don't know. Let's see. I'll try. So, yeah, but it is just 2 more days until the end of the GameJam. Yeah, and unless I get sick more than I am today, I plan on also like streaming tomorrow and on Tuesday. I plan on streaming as long as possible, but like, I don't know how it goes with like me being a little bit sick. Hello, Semi. How are you doing? So, what we're doing today? Let me boot this up. Basically, our game is quite far, but there's some problems that still need fixing, and some things that aren't implemented yet. Hello there, Adrian. How is it going? So, yeah, one of the most important things is like reworking this like inventory system here. Yeah, there's quite a lot to be done with that. I want to make this like more modular. Hello Metal Herbs, how's it going? Like basically the way it works right now is like every time I press any button or like interact with anything, it like draws this 6x6 grid. And like it's also, and then like it draws that and that, and then like depending on what I interact with, it either draws that or that or that or that. And basically what I want to do is yeah, make that more modular so I can like use the same function for everything and like just say how many rows, how many columns, and if it should connect buttons to it or not. Yeah, and stuff like that. Also, hello McDonald's employee and hello Mouse Gaming. Great names today. So yeah. Also, there was some game-breaking bug that I had. Wait, I can show you. Actually, I'm not sure if I fixed it already. Okay, yeah. That was a really confusing one because the game-breaking bug was when you transferred potions. Yeah, then it crashed right here. And I thought I already fixed it here. But it seems I haven't, or I have rolled it back or something like that. Yeah, but basically I went through everything and was like, oh, why is that happening? And then I fixed that, or like I thought I fixed it. And then I went to a different part in the code that was like, oh, this is also affected. And so this thing won't work. And then I checked it and it did work. So I wasn't sure what's going on there. But yeah, that'll be the first thing to fix. Like transferring potions over there doesn't make any sense, but it shouldn't crash the game, even if it doesn't make any sense. So that's gonna be the first thing we're gonna do today. And for that, I will make a new... Where the fuck is GitHub? Here. Make a new branch. Do I need... Oh yeah, that was the thing. Wait, let me write it down somewhere. What I need to change. I mean, apparently... Oh, I didn't roll it back. It just didn't fix everything. 259 player movement. Okay. So, and let me discard that. Pull. And that should now... Actually, wait, that should now be the most recent state of the game. So let me check that first before I branch off of that. So, the current state is... Yeah. We have a skeleton that can... Oh, what the fuck is it? I mean, it can attack me, and it can also take damage. Why the fuck is it bugging through that wall? Where the fuck are you going, mate? Here, get... Okay, it... What? Ah. That's a new bug. Okay, I was walking while it died, and now I'm just like sliding in whichever direction I last pressed and can't stop. That's an interesting one. Okay. Wait, is that reproducible? No. Maybe just in the one direction? Why is it walking there? No, also not. What? What happened there? I don't know. Wait, what? Why is he undying? What? Oh, why am I... Now I'm sliding again. Okay, weird shit. Yeah, that's something someone else has to deal with though. I mean, the skeleton thing is something that I fixed before. Why is he doing... Oh. That fix is not in here. But wait, I'm pretty sure the guy who pushed to main last just took my fix. I'm pretty sure he just took my fix and applied it, so why would it not be in here? Why are you not changed? That doesn't make any sense. Let's try it. I mean, why am I trying it again? I know what's gonna happen. No, wait, actually it's not. What? Okay, can he die now? He can, cool. Yeah, and he dropped me a helmet. Very, very cool of him. But yeah, the skeletons are kinda overpowered at the moment. But yeah, a lot of the combat system is still very incomplete, but that's what someone else is working on. Yeah. So, let me take that and let me branch off of that. And so what do I call a branch? GUI inventory wait, did I already call that? Oh yeah, cool. Right. David VR? No, you cannot have mod. What the fuck? That's not how any of this works. You don't just come here, show up for the first time and get mod. That's not how this works. So, now, yeah, reload, even though it should be the same. Now, so, I wanted to address the potion thing. First of all, it was somewhere in the 200s, right? 259. Since you have been gone. So, that was for... inventory stuff. Wait, it works for dropping though. Oh, this will be an annoying one. Because if I adjust that here, then the texture will be wrong, no? Wait. Actually, no, I think it should be fine. So, yeah, that we need to basically check where the buttons are created, and if what's it called? Current button dot item cat. If that is equal to basically being a potion, then print changing potion index, and then we want to go and say current button dot item mat plus equals 5. No, wait, was it minus equals? No, it should be plus equals in here, right? Should it? Yeah, it should be plus equals because on the other end it gets subtracted. So I think I fucked it up in, yeah, I fucked it up in the fix there. Okay. But that should now actually fix it. I should like put an item drop somewhere though, so I can actually test it out. That would be smart. So let's go into, where's my spawn room? Here, it's my spawn room. Item spawner. First of all, let's get rid of that skeleton. So like that, and therefore let's spawn some potions. Actually, let's spawn like a lot of potions, and like one of each, or like let's give us some of each type, like that, so I can test if all of them work. So that's a bunch of potions. Now if I go in here and transfer them, then it still crashes. That's not great. Item material 7. Edit inventory. Oh, did I forget to do the edit inventory? No. Transfer category 3. Isn't potions number 3? Potion is number 3. Wait, what? What's the problem here? Transfer mat, okay. Wait, it failed here. Oh. That's why I need to check in here as well. Shit, because what I'm doing here is not only do I transfer stuff to one inventory, which would be fine because in there we have a check if it's a potion that adjusts the index, but also we like check from a different inventory. Like how many there are, and that's how many we transfer. I mean, I could put it to like only oh, actually it would make a lot more sense to transfer only one instead of transferring all you have. That actually makes more sense. So let's get rid of that, which would make more sense and fix a bug in at the same time. So let's get some potions. So 22, 18, 10. Cool. Not duplicating anything. Doesn't work the other way around. Fuck. Why does it not work the other way? Oh, because it's the same code, but like I didn't adjust it here. 1 and -1. So now this should work. Let's again grab some potions. 21, 15. Those work. And those work as well. Cool. Now. Right, I should also check. First of all, does this break anything? Nope. As it should, it doesn't do anything. And then I should also check the flowers, like if potion crafting still works. So let's change that to ore. And pick up some flowers here. And go over to potion crafting. So that works. That works, and that still works as well. Cool. So, whoops. Okay. So, I think that's finished then. So let me commit that. What's all of that? Discard that. Discard that. Discard that. Discard that. Spawn room. Yeah, doesn't matter. Discard. Discard. So these two should be the ones that are important. Yes. Fixed potion indexing. And I'm sure there's some place where that's still a problem, but not this one. So now let's reload here. Yeah, maybe I should really talk less instead of just writing it there. Because my throat is kind of sore, even though I didn't cough a lot. Yeah, kind of weird. Also, I'll hide my cam while I'm eating something, I suppose. So, what did I write down? Okay, that one can go. That was notes for something else. Okay, wait. This was the to-do list, sorta. Inventory system. Okay. Polishing the inventory system and adjusting it to the new textures, I suppose. Has someone already loaded in the new textures here? Does not look like it, I think. So I could do that. Okay, I will do that. So, what was my path again for this? I just need to quickly download the file that the artist sent. Assets, sprites. Oh, UI. Oh, someone already imported it. Okay, never mind. That makes my job a little easier, I suppose. All I have to do now is go into here and go here, and this should now be not scenes inventory. Oh wait, I just need to change that texture, right? Assets, sprites, is that how it works? And now like, okay, that will probably look cursed. Oh, not as cursed as I assumed. Just needs to be realigned a bit. On the y-axis, x-axis is actually fine. Cool. How much is that? Like that's 36 or something, if I remember correctly, and then that's like 5 pixels or something like that. So let's say that's 39. More minus, so it should be 90 probably. Let's see. That looks fine. Oh my god, it's not. Did I do 1 pixel too much? Or is it just. Oh. I think the border is slimmer. I think I did 1 pixel too much and the border is slimmer, so I'll have to adjust that. Okay, let's go 2 pixels down so I see if I was correct about that assumption. Yes. So if I now go 1 pixel, is it then perfect? Or do we have a problem? Okay, but definitely what the case is this. Oh. Oh. That's bad. Wait, what? Are they not like... That's not correct. I mean, we replaced these images as well, but still, that's weird. Like here, it basically fits. That one also basically fits. So does that. So does that. That one is a bit too far. Okay, that's sort of similar to the first one. And then that one is just not aligned at all. What happened there? Like, wait, if I look at it here. I mean, that looks perfectly squarish, no? Wait, can I go and like just drag an inventory slot in here? Why is that not? Oh, because I dragged the thing, not the scene. Inventory slot here. Like that's a little bit small for the grid. What is going on here? This is bothering me. Okay, but this is not really too important. That's something we can address later, I suppose. So let's not worry about it too much, I suppose. Wait, how does it look like that? I mean, that's... I don't like that. But like, here it's like perfect and there's such a big... I don't know what happened there. Okay, now next thing, I need to move that number over here basically. But actually I only need a number there instead of like an entire inventory slot thing. Inventory slot, item quantity. Like that's just a label thing, okay. Can I like instantiate a thing from like not a different I'll just make a new scene. Or nah, actually let me look that up. Godot add label as child. Actually let me look for GD script to make it clear, and I want to make it like from code. That seems like a lot of code for what I want to do. Oh, label. That looks a lot better. I mean, that's the important one. Okay. So where are we with the... That's the thing. So our currency counter is equal to new label, like that. Currency counter dot text is equal to string of that, and then okay, and that should do the trick, right? Oh, label.new. Okay, then I'll also like need to transfer it to where the hell it needs to be, right? Okay, it might be below it, maybe. I'm not sure. Something's not working as intended. But I did it the way this thing said, right? var text add child, yeah. Okay, and currency counter dot position is equal to vector 2 of 100, something like that. Ah, there it is. Almost perfectly placed, actually. That's cool. Now I just need to figure out how to change the color. Wait, we have a text thing here. So what's the labels? ordering C index 0. How do I make the text color black? It should be one of these things. Theme. No. Theme overrides. Color. Font color. Theme override colors. Font color. Okay, wait. Currency counter dot theme. Add theme color override. Name string what? Wait, what? Okay, I don't think that's what I want. Theme override colors. Okay. Override colors slash font color. No, that's not how it works. GD script label change color. I mean, that looks promising. Then we have theme, the easiest way. Set property path value. Oh. Okay, so basically set currency counter dot is that, oh, like, is it slash theme override color slash font color and then like 0001, something like that for black. What's the problem it has? I mean, the problem it has doesn't make sense. Expect closing thing. We have a closing bracket here and one here. But like, yeah, that's not correct. Dot label settings, font color, maybe like that. The counter dot label settings, font color. There we go. 000. Does that work? Okay, now it's getting ridiculous. Oh, color. Okay. Yeah, the error message there is a little nonsensical. Oh, okay. It did not like that. Oh, do I need to set that after I edit the thing? No, that doesn't make sense, right? No, same problem here. Okay, how about I set it a different color for now? Nope, still same problem. How did the guy on the forum thing do it? That's the same thing I'm doing. Font color. Oh, it needs 4 things? Okay, so it needs an alpha value as well. Maybe that was the problem? Oh, RGB and alpha. Cool. Invalid send index font color on base null instance. Why does it say null instance? That is an instance. Like it can have a position and everything. Like it even exists if I do that. Like here. Is that what you call a null instance? I don't think so. That doesn't seem like it's gotta be the settings thing. Label settings dot. Oh, wait. Does that work? Can I just say that? Nope. Okay, I need to know which of these the problem is. And I feel like it's this one somehow. It is this one. On base null instance. How is that a null instance? It's set index. Okay. Can I like copy that? So what are they doing? So time for new tea. So That's stupid. What the fuck is that? How can I not access this thing when I can access this thing? This makes no fucking sense. What? I don't know. Getting desperate here. Yeah, I expected that. How does this not make any sense? Like what? Oh, set font color. Okay. Is it that? Nope. Maybe that. Okay. Is it dot set? Is it that? Nope. How the fuck do we use that? You need label settings? What? Okay, that's bullshit. That's just straight up bullshit. Now, how do I attach to that to thing? Label setting. Okay. Dot bs. Oh, okay. Wait. Yes. Dot set font color temp. Let's just see if that runs at least. So far. Okay, it doesn't crash. That's a good sign. Dot, and then label settings equal to yes. Is that really it? It seems to be, because the number was right here and now I can see it. Ah, there it is. Cool. Now I just need to shift the number a little bit. On X, let's say 90. Oh, I also need to change the Y level. What's that called? Or like C index. C index. No. Currency counter dot C index is equal to 5, something like that. Maybe. Oh, cool, that works. Yeah, the number looks terrible, but that's fine. A little bit more. That's a 75. Yeah, that's better. Let's say 78 and 95. Nah, that's too far up. 99. And like 1 pixel there. That looks good, I would say. Nice. So that's done in the worst possible way. Let's put that in here. Note why the fuck is it like this? It could be any other way. So now that that's taken care of, where was I? Right. Inventory rewrite. So that's small number taken care of. Don't mind me, just passing through. No! Shit, I suck at my own game. Okay. Anyways. So GitHub commit updated to new inventory background. So now the big rewrite comes. It is time, I think. Unless I forgot something important. I might have forgotten something important. Not 100% sure though. What have I forgotten? Oh. So. Okay, it is time for the big rewrite here. So, the current thing is, wait, let me demonstrate. Like if I open the inventory, it draws a 6x6 box, and yeah, like that's the main inventory, 6x6 box. Then I also added a thing that like if I set a certain pool a certain way, then it also draws a gear inventory. Then I also added a thing like if I'm close to that thing, then it opens the brewing inventory. If I'm close to that thing, it opens the crafting inventory. Why is that also black now? Why are all things black? I mean, it's fine. It's fine if all why are all numbers black now? Also, this one. that's not ideal. Let me note it down. Currency count in selling inventory. Small. So yeah, and like if I open that, then it says like make a 6x6 grid, make another one next to it, basically. Yeah, and what I would like to do is like instead of having like a bool for everything of that, just say have one function that takes like how many rows do you want to have, how many columns do you want to have, and where should the first one start, because that could like take care of all of those, of all of those, of all of those, of all of those, and like what's in there is also important. How do I tell it what's in there? And also if there should be buttons. I mean, if there should be buttons or not should be pretty easy to set. Buttons or not is easy to set. How do I tell it what's in there? Okay, this still requires some thought. Let's open up Paint. Oh no, flashbang. Every single time. It would be cool if you could like set a standard like layout, but I don't think you can. So like I could say always open with black and like a white color for the pen. So what I want to do, like the function like it needs row, column, X, Y, and button, which is just like a pool of like should these be buttons. And that just like draws like the grid. Like that. And like adds buttons to these things. If we want any. No. What else? How do I tell it what's in each slot? Or do I like make that a function within a function? Or like, you know, we have the bigger function that then like also fills them up. That would be an idea. Because then at least like we reuse that stuff. Okay, that could still work. So, now, okay, let's do some things here to make things easier for us. So, these 240 lines of code need to get a lot shorter and a lot more reusable. I might just do this. Call this one old. Build inventory. Pass. Func build item build slot grid pass. So that's the one. Columns. Is that how you write columns? Like that. Rows. No wait, columns. Is that columns? How the fuck do you write this? Wait. Rows and columns. Like that. So, columns, rows, start X, start Y, add buttons. So, let's start by building that, right? Basically. I could just like go and copy paste that and make it better. It's probably better if I just rewrite all of it, right? Yeah, no, I'll just rewrite it. So, bar item slot is equal to preload that thing. Oh no, wait, that's for inventory. Bar background scene is equal to that. Slot scene is that. So for column in columns, for row in rows, so oh, okay. First, you wanna instantiate the background. Do I just call it inventory because like that's the main inventory thing? Yeah, I'll do that. Inventory is background scene.instantiate. Inventory.position. Okay. Wait, I might need to add that to the main thing instead of the item slot thing. Yeah, that needs to be the main thing. Like that. So doesn't matter what that's called. because I figured out how to deal with that before. So we had an inventory. Wait, what's the problem? Oh, inventory position. Var x var y equals 0. Var in. Let's just make that a vector 2. Vector 2 of x, y. Like that. It should hopefully take care of something. So now do we need that variable? Not really. I can wait, do I need that? No. I always just access the newest one, so why would I add it to a list? So var current slot does that, then it's just the position. Current slot is equal to that, except we need item slot scene here. Then we set the position like that and that child like that. Let's actually like pull these out like that. I think that's a little cleaner. Column row, perfect. Current slot position is that, and that is current slot, and doesn't need to be human readable. And also we don't call it background, we call it inventory. Oh. How do I get that? Can I just get self.get child -1? Should it work? Maybe. Print self.get child -1. So like this. So for now, let's do 6, 6. This should be start x. So let's say -85 and -89. And this here should be start x, start y. These comments are irrelevant. And it needs false. Like actually it needs true, but we'll see. Okay, now I mean, it doesn't return anything, so let's do that. Why the fuck did it have out? So if I now press tab, it crashes. Inventory slot selector. Oh, because of that shit here. But it did stuff before. Node to D. Is that a node to D? Maybe I should print it with get name. Whoops. Get name. So no, what does it print? Inventory. Cool. That's exactly what I want. No, all of that doesn't matter. Okay, so oh, that's actually perfect. Or like as good as was it as good as it was before. So I mean, I could also just like pass the thing. Wait, how did I do that return down here? Like in the old one. Background position. Did I just return background? I did, right? Huh, interesting. Let's add it here. Inventory. Let's do like that. And say, instead of that, we say inventory get child. Add child. That should be exactly the same as before. But probably a little better. So how else? Okay, how do I continue here? Okay, we need to do the add buttons functionality. If add buttons, then add the buttons. How do we do that? Okay, maybe I'll just like delete stuff I already used here. Okay, this one checks the item. And gets the textures. How do I differentiate between what to show in the inventories? Wait, if I set that, what will show up as fucked up? Alright, that was because I accidentally removed that thing. So let's leave it there. Is that used? No, that isn't used anywhere. Is that used anywhere? That isn't used anywhere either. So I could just do fill inventory. Then the only way I can think of doing it right now is like adding 50 bools again, which I don't really want to do. I mean, adding a way to easily draw the grid is already quite cool. How did I deal with buttons here? Okay, button. Okay, it just checks the current material. How do I deal with that? Okay, so the problem I have right now. Wait, let me throw it into Paint. So we are at this point. We have a function that draws the grid. Now, I would like to be able to like set a value on whether or not it should add a button to like the grid, to like all of the things. Because like for the main inventory, I would like to have a button for like transferring items. Except if it's in like a crafting menu with like swords or thing, then you don't really need that those things. So I only want buttons there. So I would like to have a pool that just says add buttons or not. And yeah, basically the way I did that before was having like a pool for everything that says basically what I'm drawing exactly right now, or like which inventory I'm opening. And ideally I want the new function to be able to handle any inventory. So like you just tell it draw this inventory and it doesn't care what it's drawing something for, it just draws an inventory at that spot of this size and doesn't care. But how do I fill it up then? I mean, I could like do that as a new function. Do that and go over them one by one. Okay, I have an idea. So we draw this grid without setting anything. Then we have like a bool if player inventory then call this function fill player inventory. And what that function is, basically it goes and like takes the last, like it like loops through the children of the inventory. But like from it starts from like the back, so like it takes the last one, then the second to last one, or so on. and so on. Actually, we can make like just that another function because I'll need that a lot. And like it does that up until how many it needs, so minus amount. And then like it should probably like reorder it so we have minus amount first, because that'll be the first one that was drawn. And then it can like go and fill it in. Like go through the entire inventory, and whenever we have something, then like assign it here. It's like we can call that get last children. Last, not fast. Yeah, that would be an idea. So if build player inf, I mean the player inventory always gets drawn. Okay, wait. Player inventory. So we don't need a boolean for the player inventory. That's great. Fill player items. So func fill player items. Yeah, let's give it the inventory here. So now what are we gonna do with that? Okay, first of all, we need another function, get last children inventory and amount for, and we just do that. Amount is 36 in this case. For I in range, for I in amount actually, our last children is a list, last children dot append inventory dot get child and then like minus I. So, and what that does now is it makes a list out of that. How can I like flip a list back to front? Go though, flip list, array invert. No? Reverse. Ah, yes. I just asked ChatGPT lol on Google, I didn't find anything. What the fuck, mate? Okay, children dot invert. No, wait, fuck, it was reverse, right? Reverse, right. Return last children. So. So, items, slots, stat. Where is it? Where does it have a problem, by the way? Over there. Because I removed that. Right. So. Do I need to add buttons here? Actually, yeah. I'll just add the buttons and like adjust them later. I can do that, right? I should be able to do it, right? I think so. So that's basically the add button thing. Actually, let me do Control X here. So it's gone. So get rid of that. Let's throw that in here. Our button scene. Then scan. Button scene instantiate. So that thing we will need later. I'll just move that down there somewhere. And here you go. That'll throw an error, but doesn't matter for now. So you are called inventory in here. Oh, actually I should do that as a child for the current slot. Inventory dot get child -1 at child, because if I just add it to the end, then the get lost children thing doesn't work. But if I add it as an inventory slot thing, oh, that's still gonna be a problem, isn't it? Can I check like the type of child? GD script check type of child. Finding child node by type. If child is okay. I have an idea. Get last children, inventory amount, no type. A burning fire. Okay, our I equals 0. Well, I a smaller amount. If inventory dot get child minus I is no type, then do that. And also then do that. No wait, always do that. Fuck. We need two variables for that. Our found equals 0. Found small amount. Found plus equals 1. Okay, I think that'll work. So no type. Here is sprite 2D, I think. Yeah. And for var buttons, get last children inventory 36 and button. And that should be how that works. Can it be used as a type? Oh. Maybe like that. Why can I not use that as type? Oh, find children? Wait. Finds all descendants of these nodes whose names match pattern. Returning an empty array if no match is found. Matching is done in node names, not their paths. Through string match. Such is case sensitive. Matches 0 or more characters. Type is not empty, only everything from type included. Okay. Can be very slow. That's not what I like to read in general. Okay, find child. Does the same thing. Finds the first descendant. Can I do like the inverse? I would like to find the last one. Don't feel bad for me. Doesn't matter. Everyone starts somewhere. So, find child. How do I use that? I really want this to be like to start at the end. Okay, this one can also be very slow. what is happening here? I'm creating a game for the Pirate Software GameJam. Wait, it's currently in a very broken state. I can show you some. Yeah, I can show you around a little bit. Give me a second. Let me just revert all of the things I just broke. Currently, I'm trying to rewrite something so it's way more efficient. But what's happening here is... Oh god, I broke it. Let me actually fast forward it again, then save the changes and then go back to main. So, oh, maybe I should have closed it before. Let's go back to main. Switch branch, that should be saved. So, let's reload here. So, basically, Pirate Software GameJam is a 2-week event where basically at the start he tells you like a topic and you have 2 weeks time to make a game. What we are making is like a dungeon crawler, roguelike kind of thing, and some notable elements here. Okay, so we have enemies. They are at the moment quite fucking strong, which we will have to work on. And you basically go through some rooms, collect some items, do some crafting, and yeah. So here you can then like take your resources that you got. In this case, I barely got anything, so I can only make like a bow or something. And you can also like transmute stuff, make potions and stuff, and then you can sell that stuff and you get currency for it. Here I still have the old currency thing in here. Yeah, then you get currency for it, for which you can then make better weapons and stuff. Like you need the currency to transmute into better tiers. And the basic idea is you sell your weapons and your equipment to some NPCs that slay the monster for you. So it's like a roguelike, but you are not the person who kills the monster. It's the people you sell stuff to. So you have to sell them like stuff that's good enough so that they can slay the monster. And you do that by like selling stuff and like then getting more currency, getting better stuff, and oh shit, I'm so gonna die. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. But yeah, that's the general idea of the game. You sell stuff, you can make better stuff, you can sell better stuff, and then at some point the people can slay the monster for you. Okay, that is weird. When I like start the animation while walking and stop walking, okay, then I'm kind of sliding. That's weird. Anyway, so that's the general idea. And what I'm currently doing is rewriting the inventory system because it's kind of terrible. And hard to reuse. Wait, let me discard all of these changes. I think a lot of people really like your game. I hope so. I don't know like how in the end you can play the game or something. View stash changes, restore. In which language you are doing your program? I'm doing it in GD script, which is like the built-in language in the Godot engine. Yeah, so that's kinda came naturally. And yeah, I don't know how in the end the game will be released. I think it's then like available on some website free to play, but I will definitely link to that if that's the case. And I think that's how it works in the end. You have to like upload it to a website to be free to play or something. Anyways, so back to rewriting that. I was looking up how to like use the find child thing. Okay, I think I need to use the find children and then like slice that list. Actually, I don't even need like this function. I can just go and say var item slots how can I start building my own small project? Like, I mean, the best way, like if you want to make a game as well, I would say go to Steam, download the Godot engine. Wait, do I have Steam open? No, I don't. I think the Godot engine is quite beginner friendly. So I can highly recommend that, especially for like such like 2D top-down or like platformers or stuff like that. So download that, and then there was one very good tutorial on YouTube I found, because like before these 2 weeks I have never used Godot, so I had to learn all of that during the GameJam, and like it was the same for almost everyone. I think actually for everyone in our group. Like we have 5 people and only one of us has ever made a game before, and I think he made it in Unity the last time. So yeah, basically what you want to do is you want to go download the Godot engine, and then I found a very good YouTube tutorial, which was this here. How to make a video game Godot beginner tutorial by Breckies. I also found like a different tutorial by them, which is more for the coding side. But like, yeah, very, very good tutorial. I'll also like link you that. Breckies makes really good tutorials on Godot. So like, you don't need to like follow the, wait, fuck, that was the wrong chat. Goddamn. Okay, I'm getting confused. I have 3 streams running here. Yeah, basically that person makes very good tutorials. You don't have to like go and follow everything step by step. The way I did it was just I like opened the video. It's like an hour 17 long or something. But what I just did, I was like, I opened the video, set it to 2 times speed and laid back, and you sort of get like an overview of how things work. And then you open Godot and try to implement stuff. And at some point you will get stuck. And then you just go back to the tutorial and look at it again. And then you probably figure out how it works and can continue. And if there's something that you need that isn't in the tutorial, Godot has okay-ish documentation. Or like, let's say like this, the documentation isn't great, but there is a lot of people who are using it. So when you Google something, the chances that the first result is to a Reddit page of someone who explains it very, very, very well, it's quite high. So that's kind of carried me through this project. Like, Godot stuff is quite Googleable. Most of the time. There was one time where I was really lucky that someone was in Twitch chat that knew how to do the thing that I was trying to do, because I had been stuck for multiple hours at that time, and there was no way I would have figured that out without them. So, okay, back to this. Find children. That was inventory dot. Oh wait, I need equals here. Find. Okay, wait, let me comment that out so the compiler stops complaining. So, yeah, I hope that helps. And of course, you're always welcome to come to my chat and ask questions if you need help with anything. Maybe I'm able to help. Why is it not like auto-completing that? Or like auto-completing anything on that node. What's it doing? Come on. What does it need? String pattern, so it should just be item, wait, item slot. Wait, why is it in between here? That doesn't make sense. Let me put that here so I can more easily look stuff up. So, inventory slot is what it's called. Okay. Inventory slot. Print item slots. So, that's used somewhere, right? Yeah. Let's see if that works so far. Can it even compile because of that thing? Oh, that is empty. Inventory dot get children there. So they are just called sprite to the. What the fuck is inventory back? Sprite to D, sprite to D. Let's call it sprite 2D then. Let's see how many it finds. And also let's print len of item slots like this. 0. That's not as many as I would like to see. Yeah, I forgot that I should close it instead of like using it the way it's intended. I need to like add that. Nope. Oops. Let's try different things at the same time. So wait, find children, string pattern, string type. Wait, type? Oh. Okay. Okay. Alternative idea.
Oh, it's so late. Why are you live?
First of all, there are time zones. It's not necessarily late. That said, yes, it is late. Yeah, my sleep schedule is fucked up. Yeah, that's just that's just how it is. Like I usually stream from like 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. or something when I stream.
Me too, gang.
Yeah. Like my stream schedule is just fucked up, so happens.
It's full bongrip BTW.
How many fucking Twitch accounts do you have?
This is my old phone.
God damn it. Okay, inventory back. What the fuck is inventory back? Thanks for yet another follow. Cool.
Quite a lot of accounts.
Are you perchance getting banned a lot?
This phone has 2, I think.
Okay.
No.
Then why?
Different devices.
Different devices. Okay, fair enough. I can understand that. Okay, so that needs arguments. How does... Like, why does that only find 1 when this one finds a lot? That doesn't make sense. Type...
I'm working on my game, it's so shit RN.
Wait, I've watched quite a few people in
Go
software...
YouTube, fool bongrib.
I've watched quite a few people in software and game dev working on their projects for the GameJam lately. Ah, fuck, wait. Yours wasn't the card game thing. Yours was, fuck. I remember I've looked at your stream. I don't remember what the game was. Wait, which one was it? Fuck. I'm completely blacking out.
First
the guy with the
person
card game was a
game.
different one. Oh yeah, right, the first person thing. Right. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, how's it going schedule-wise? Do you think you getting it done in time? Is that working?
Go to my YouTube, look at my most recent video.
Okay, let's have a look. Wait, let's...
It's not for the GameJam XD.
Oh, you just make that just randomly. Oh, I thought you were also taking part in the game jam. Okay, never mind then.
It's my solo project.
Okay. Latest video 3 hours ago. Let's see.
No, today is only my 10th day using Godot.
Ah, that's pretty cool. At first I was thinking about like CSGO surfing, but like you actually have some kind of way to sort of stick to the thing. That's interesting. That is very interesting. How the fuck did you program that? Also, only a 10th day of using Godot?
It just turns gravity much lower.
Okay. That's a cool little cheat, I think. Argument 2 from object to string. What the fuck is it on about? Oh wait, does it need to be that?
When either shapecast 3D is colliding and is on wall only.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. Why does it only... okay, it finds one, but like, why does it only find one? Why does it only find the first one? What the fuck is going on?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. I just added an AK.
Cool. Yeah, I only saw the pistol in the video there.
But I need to redesign it.
I mean, I think between weapons you can reuse a lot of stuff, right? Okay, so at least that thing works, even though I don't quite understand why it only finds one. Why does it only find one? Also, why do I have this open now? Okay.
Yeah, I added it like 20 minutes ago.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so how the fuck does that work?
I definitely need to redesign.
It should.
Maybe the pistol also.
Yeah, I know that feeling. Like, I redesign basically everything all the time here. Like, I feel like for every new feature I add, I rework 3 old features. Maybe I should not do that in a game jam that ends in 2 days. Okay, but like...
I hate redoing things, man.
No, I like it.
But I do it so much.
No, I quite like that. Like, especially if I can find a way to reuse a little bit more code. That's just amazing. Reusing a little bit more code, making a little bit more code a little bit more efficient. I love that. I do it constantly. It's amazing.
If I don't redo it, I feel weird.
Yeah, same.
Cool story, Bob.
It's amazing when it's just reading out Twitch emotes.
I added
That's why the
TDS to
fuck
my
did I
stream.
find one? Oh, cool. How did that go so far? Has it been a terrible idea or just a bad idea?
So far not banned. So
Yep.
just bad.
Okay, that's cool. You know, I'm not sure if like Twitch's filter is quicker than its API. So yeah, I'm not sure about it. But like technically, I think you're not on the line for anything your community does. Like even if you show like
We can test.
some, please don't. Yeah, but I think like according to Twitch TOS, even if you like video call someone from your community and they do bad things or something, then you are not on the line for that or something like that. I've heard that a long time
I will
ago.
do the lowest slurs.
Please don't. I will ban you, even though, yeah, you're testing things.
Retard.
That's one account less. Nope, I warned you, mate. That one's gone. How the fuck do I ban you? Okay. It was just a timeout. I don't wait. Oh, here. 24 hours. I did warn you. Can't say anything else. So, anyways, I guess then it's back to coding. So why is it only finding one? Like this thing is finding a lot. This thing only finds one. Like even if I don't add the sprite to, I mean all of them are sprite, but what? Does that change anything? Like this one, I would assume finds one. Oh. Oh, wait, does that one have different arguments? Pattern. Oh, that one doesn't have a type thing. The fuck? No. Oh, a node list. What? Do I need to make like a list of the nodes? Okay, wait. Go to find children. What? But I get all nodes with a specific what? Do I need to do it like that? That's super annoying. Maybe I can do string match. Okay, but then I'll need to make another one. Find last children. Like that's latest. So we need inventory, we need amount, type, no type, like that. So then we just go and say, okay, I can just wait. Is it in here still? Is that in here somewhere? Get lost children here. So copy and get back to the latest state. So get latest. Okay. Latest. We can't use the node type thing because because of that thing. That's super annoying. Is there a way around that? That would be super helpful. Godot local parameter can't be used as type. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No. Okay, so maybe I need to do string match thing. If that... Wait, how do I do string match? Okay, node type dot match. Wait, go to string match. Oh, how do I use that? Mm-hmm. So can I say like what's true? Okay, so can I say that, and then say get rid of all of that because that's not working anyways. Get latest children of inventory 1 and test, like S, because that should be in there. So that should print true, I think. It prints false. Where's all these prints coming from, by the way? Oh, here. So if I do test, then it should be like 1 to 1. So then it should definitely print true. Yep. that one's longer, like does it... Is that one the... No. Oh, right. I'm stupid. Like that? Does that work? Or do I need to do it the other way around? Like which of the strings is supposed to be the shorter one? Okay, the other one. Like that. Okay, that's working. So that needs to be the shorter one, so I can go and say dot name dot get name dot match node type and here we say sprite. Wait, that was with no. Yeah, it should be like that. My weakness, but I don't know why. Nope, it shouldn't be. Base call. Okay, so I assume I need to make a string of that. Oh wait, or I just forgot the brackets there. This might work. Okay, just prints a single false. Oh, I might want to like up the number. 36. Even though the last one should be of time sprite, right? True. I also might wanna like print the name. Print. Hey, thanks for the follow, Pixels. How's it going? I've been lurking a little bit in your stream.
Well, you are not Pixus _.
Well, that's unfortunate.
This is true.
That is indeed true. I've been lurking in your stream a little bit. How's it going with your card type game? I haven't watched long enough to like understand what's going on, but something with cards. So, cool. That seems to be working. So, meanwhile, I'm rewriting my inventory system for the millionth time.
It is very fortunate you're not me. Pixus doesn't have finished game fresh 11 Shaik.
Doesn't have finished game. I mean, neither do I, to be fair. I mean, the game is looking quite good, but it's not finished. So, if that, then do that. Right? Does it work? Yeah, I think that works. And increase that. So. Yeah. Wait. In a second, I'm gonna show you how far I've come since the last time. I just gotta crash the thing, apparently. Oh, we've gone too far back.
I did, however, meet my goal. It's in a sort of interactive proof of concept state.
I mean, hey, that's fine for a game jam. I mean, you can submit that, and you still got 2 days to go. That's absolutely fine, I think. Okay, I need to figure out why is that though? Oh, because I think it's because the first one is not called sprite. Oh no, wait, what? Okay, that's weird. Wait. Print len of latest children. Okay, 1 second. I'll show you around in a second, but first I wanna figure out what the fuck's going on here. Okay, we've got 35 out of 36. So like, why is the first one? Oh, right, because I only print if we find it. So the first one has a different name for some reason. That's not great. Like I think the first one is called inventory slot, and then the second one's name. First one. Wait, 36. Oh, and then we got false, false. Oh, I just printed those. I didn't print the name. Okay.
Yeah, business, I don't have the time to make it more fun by adding a variety of cards. I'll be using the remaining time to make it more visually satisfying.
Okay. Using to make vision more interesting. Oh, that's cool. Someone can look at it and see the vision, they'll be satisfied. Yeah, I mean, I feel like that's one of the main goals for a game jam, right? Like you won't exactly get like the perfect, like completely finished and fully fleshed out game that there's nothing that can be improved upon in a game jam. You always just like end up with something that's like good enough. So let me stash that. How do I stash that again? Oh wait, it was just leave my changes there. Yep. Okay, let me show you around a little bit. So I don't remember what this game looked like the last time you were around, but anyways, for everyone who hasn't seen it. So basically, we have like oh my god, why is that offset? That wasn't like that a second ago.
Fair. But anyway, show us what you have so far, oh my dog.
Yeah, okay, I think I know what's happened here is that I implemented that on a different branch, but then someone implemented it on main as well, and now okay, the main one is broken, but like my branch is working. It's just someone else who fucked up. Anyway, so we have broken inventory. I mean, the inventory system works, it just looks shit. So we have like top-down dungeon crawler style game. Oh my god, that is currently very hard because the opponents are very overpowered. But yeah, we have like opponents in. Also sometimes they are quite buggy. Oh shit. And you sort of go through a couple of a couple of dungeons. And in this case, it's better not to fight them because I'm very low. Okay, and then after you go through some dungeons, you arrive to this like shop phase. Here you can use the materials you got to like either like craft items from them, like a sword, bow, helmet, and stuff like that. Or if you find flowers, you can craft potions. The potions currently don't do anything, but we're working on that. Also, the weapons are. I mean, when you equip them, they don't really do anything in particular, but yeah, there's something they do. And then here you can like upgrade your ores. In this case, I have found iron ore. I can upgrade that to bronze ore. I can update those to what is the next one? Steel, then adamantine, and then shadow infused ore. And I pay for that with like our currency here. And that's like our transmutation. Like you transmute from one ore to the other, and you just have to pay for it basically in shadow essence or whatever. And then here is the most important part of a game, because you have a boss fight, but you're not the person who fights the boss. The way you sort of fight the boss is you sell things. Okay, that's weird that it attacks, but yeah. You sell things here to a group of like NPC adventurers. They buy it from you. You get like money or like shadow essence. Like we said our currency is like shadow, and that's upgrading you. Yeah. Ignoring like the theme of everything, you sell things, you get money, you can make better things, you can sell better things. And then at the end, once the adventurers got good enough gear, they can actually slay the end boss. And that's basically how you win the game. And okay, it's kind of weird, the health doesn't reset. Yeah, we'll have to implement that. Yeah, and the thing is, how that ties in with the shadow theme is you're playing the shadow of the end boss, and like the story is basically you always watch how like the end boss kills all of these groups of adventurers, and you feel bad for it for them, and so you basically while your body is sleeping, you exit that and like collect stuff that you can outfit the adventurers with, so they can slay your mortal body or whatever. Yeah. That's the story behind it, and how it ties in with the shadow theme. So like you're the shadow, and the currency is like a part of their shadow, and you can shadow infuse.
I don't
like
recall. Was this a solo project?
No, it's
like
5 people working on that. No, it's 5 people working on that. But yeah, we've gotten a lot done. Yeah, and like my main contribution is like code in the background for like all of these systems in here and the inventory, and yeah, that is what I'm rewriting currently, because it's a piece of crap. So yeah, one of the main things that is annoying is stuff like this. Like I can equip the sword here, but you don't see that before I refresh the inventory manually. And that's because like the inventory system is written quite terribly. Like in here it like auto refreshes, but there's like this blink, which is also not great. So yeah, that's why I'm currently rewriting the inventory system once again. Yeah. Discard all of these changes. Those are not important, and go back to that. So yeah, I'm currently rewriting that thing here, restore, and reload. So I'm hoping that then I can like reuse this more easily and like fix some of the problems it has. So even though I'm a little bit sick, I will be, yeah, I don't know how long I'll do today, but I will, if I don't get more sick than I am today, then I will also stream tomorrow and on Tuesday quite a lot to get this thing finalized. But yeah, we will see about that. So yeah, I wanted to print that here. So the first one is called inventory slot, I think, which is not great. Oh yeah, shit. I just wanted to do that actually. Yeah, inventory slot is the name of the first one instead of sprite, which is annoying. Okay, I could fix that by saying, wait, by setting this to true. Oh.
Are you just in a polish and refinement phase? Or are there still things that must be implemented?
There are small things that must be implemented. So technically we aren't in the polish and refine phase, but I don't know, I'm sort of polishing things. Even though there's some small things. Wait, let me actually look. What small things do we have to like still work on that I have to do? Inventory system, some parts of the GUI. So like that's also sort of like these are sort of polish. The third phase thing. Yeah, that's like an important thing, but a small task that can wait actually. Like I can probably do that in 1 or 2 hours. Like that's basically done. I just need to like add it to a node, and then yeah, we can use that. And yeah, that one is more like a visual thing, which would be cool. But yeah, from the stuff that I work on, it's mostly polish and one small thing that is mostly done anyways. So I'll mostly focus on the polish part because that makes the other stuff easier as well. So, and now I can just, instead of calling it sprite, call that inventory slot. And that should now give me then latest children. That should now give me 36. And not crash. Cool. I mean, it crashed now because I pressed the button I wasn't supposed to, but it didn't crash for the thing I actually tested. Where was the function? I always lose it. Here. So let's get rid of some of these prints. Print. So that. So that's quite cool. Wait, what the fuck is that doing here? Did I forget? Did I forget the print and it still worked? Or what happened there? Oh, it didn't work, but it didn't destroy anything, so okay. Fair enough. Cool, so let's do that. So where was I here? Okay. So we built the grid for the inventory system, and now it's time to fill it. So first we need to get the item slots like this. Then we do the same thing for buttons. Like that. Actually, I can just remove that. Button. Print len item slots. Print len buttons. So those should be 36 both. And it's not good. Why did that crash? Oh, it went all the way back again and didn't find that. Aren't there 36 buttons? Wait, did I test it with add buttons being false? Okay, maybe I should control F that instead of trying to search it. True. Oh, no, it's true. Wait, what? Oh, because the buttons are now... Okay, I set it up so the buttons are below inventory slot. So I could either go and just say inventory slot dot button, or I move the buttons out. I think the better idea is to just say inventory slot dot button. Right? Then I can use the get, what was it called? Find child or something like that. But that's inefficient, so maybe I shouldn't. Maybe, okay, maybe let's move it out here. That should do the trick. So let me refill some tea here. So okay. So didn't crash. Cool. Crashed because I did the wrong input thing again. Right. I will need to fix that later. But yeah, that works so far. Now I need to find the... I need to search the inventory for which things we have and haven't. So basically what I need to do is we have some lists of lists. Like we have I am shit at drawing. Some list here, and I basically have to iterate and see which one is bigger than 0, and then add that to the first item slot available. Okay, and also add it to the button. And I shouldn't forget, if we are adding potions, then I need to increase the index by 5. For something. Was it for the button? Yeah, it was for the button, not... I think not for the... Yeah, not for the texture, but for the button which drops the item. So... now, back in here. Basically for category... No, it should be I in len of singleton dot player inventory dot items for j in len singleton player inventory dot items I. If that bigger 0, add texture, add number, add button material and category +5 if potion. Wait, that's the plus. There we go. So so add texture that I can just reuse. Oh yeah, I need a variable to count which item slot we are currently using. Is equals 0. So I don't need to do that, I think. Or like I need to do it differently. How do I access child node exactly? But it would be so easy if I could just like say child node with that name. Go to access child node by name. I'm pretty sure I've tried this a million times and there's no way to do it. Okay, so he's basically just making a table. That's not how it works. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be able to do that. Okay, so we'll have to improvise here. Don't deliver the bool. I can just do find child. Okay, what I can do here is item slots of current slot dot find child. Was it like that? Oh wait, var sprite and var text. Like that. And I think, was it like that? Yeah. That might work. Print sprite. How do I debug that? I don't know, let's just write the rest and hope it works. Current slot plus equals 1. I think we don't need that anymore below that, right? So let's go down here again. So that I can just like pull up here in that, because that'll always be the same. I don't need to declare that a million times. So then for current met and grid cat, that's just my indices. Current cat being I. Yeah, that makes sense. If J bam, and current cat is I, and I. Right? Oh, right. It doesn't always have to be the player inventory. Sometimes it's the current inventory. Oh, right. I forgot about that. Current inventory. And we do that. And go in here. Current inventory. And instead of player inventory, we have that now. Okay. So up here we do player inventory. So singleton dot player inventory. And then it should in theory work. Like I still can't close it, but okay, doesn't crash. So let me try picking up something. Okay, I should have some. Oh, cool. Something in here. Cool. So that works. That's a good step. That's a very good step. So now I'm actually quite far with this rewrite, I think. Actually, I should call that fill inventory items. Because it doesn't necessarily have to be the player items. So that name is more fitting. Now, I mean, wait, the button. Wait, that's something for later. That is something for later. I'll just throw that in here as well. So, fill inventory items. I think that thing works now. Oh yeah, needs button material and category. So that should just be button dot item at item. Yeah, okay. That should actually just be like, first of all, I'll need this. But before that even, I will need that. So what that is, it tells the button which item is in the inventory currently. So that's J. And that's I. And I think that should now work. If I now go in here and cheat sort, this sort. Ah, shit. Wait. Is that in the working function or a broken one? Oh, okay, then I just don't need to bother, right? Okay, that's in the old function. I don't need to bother about that as long as it doesn't throw an error. So, okay, I haven't... Oh, shit. I haven't drawn the gear thing yet. Okay. So I can't test if I can transfer something because I haven't drawn the gear thing. So let's get rid of this here. It's just spamming the debug thing. So debug if buttons actually work. So so okay, I mean that does it. That should also be done. Now gear does the same thing as this. Also needs buttons and needs to be 3 times 1. Oh shit. Like that. 3 times 1 with like, what's that, minus 34? And then like that. So what does it look like now? Oh, it needs to be the 1x3, not 3x1. Okay. Easy enough. Nice. So, right. Okay, let me actually fix the...
Your VOD is muted for playing Dio. Irrespective the music choice.
Okay, I don't know why that was kind of buggy, but no, my VOD is not muted. I have separated all the tracks.
Rainbow in the dark slaps.
Yes, Rainbow in the dark does indeed slap.
Oh dear God, TTS is on.
Oh yes, it is. We like some chaos in here.
Zweite affirmative.
Oh god, it's getting worse. What happened to my chat? Why is it like? Oh my god.
All right, I have to head
Wait.
Why is
Where did my chat go? Okay, see ya. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for the raid again. Yeah. Okay. my chat is broke. Refresh. Okay, nice, works. Okay. Anyways, thanks. And yeah, I have separated audio tracks on Twitch, so like what you hear on stream is not what you hear in the VOD, so it is muted. And on YouTube, you just hear the second audio track, so there it's not muted either. Like basically, I use YouTube for VODs anyways because yeah, on Twitch you can only have them for a week. On YouTube, they are there forever. Basically. I mean, it will be kind of weird on YouTube when you don't hear the music.
All in base OBS2.
No, not all in base OBS. Yeah. So, like in base OBS, you can do the audio splitting for Twitch, so that you have one audio track that's going out to the stream and a different one that's
your TTS in German?
And a different one that's saved in the in the VOD. Like that's just base OBS. You can literally just wait. Can I show you the settings here? What's that? Yeah, like if you go to output, you can just like set the second audio track to the Twitch thing, and then I use
Flammenwerfer.
amazing. Then I use voice meter to like choose what goes where, and like yeah, that's the setup basically. And to also stream on YouTube on the at the same time.
Software, ha ha ha.
Why does it read the ad? But like in my chat it doesn't even show that. Cool. Anyways, yeah. What's the one thing? Here. And for streaming multiple times at the same time. Am I leaking anything here? I don't think so. Yeah, I just can't add up. But it doesn't hurt too bad too right now. And also I won't stream much longer. And also I've got tea. Like I've actually got a Kimbo tea. Like usually I have like a cup of tea here, but I always burn my mouth because it's still hot. I usually burn my mouth because it's still hot because I just filled it in. So this time I was like, okay, but I really need the tea today because like, you know, my throat's a bit sore. So I literally got 2 mugs so that I can like fill tea into 1 mug while the other one is already cold enough to drink. So that, yeah, you know, switching mugs is quicker than reloading. Everyone knows that. Yeah, but my tea is almost
just waiting for you to mix up the mugs.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, anyways, I was saying, yeah, for streaming to YouTube at the same time, I use the multiple output. Thanks for the follow. I assume that's Insularis software. Thanks. It's getting so much worse. Yeah, anyways, for streaming to TTS, I'm using a multiple output. To YouTube as well, I'm using multiple outputs. Yeah. Then I also have like a vertical stream thing that also streams on YouTube vertically. It's very complicated and very over-engineered, but I like doing that stuff, so that is the cup I just filled. That is the older cup that's also still... okay, not that hot. Yeah. Wait, is... Oh, wait.
Happened?
Ah, that guy. Not really. Right, I forgot to change to start that guy. Oh wait, he's still welcoming the other guy from before. Yeah, because he said just for the TTS, just wait for that guy. You will understand in a second.
Welcome, newcomer Romp2, to the illustrious Tapir tribe. May your journey be filled with camaraderie and adventure alongside our beloved community.
And I finally got it to like shut the fuck up after 2 sentences or something. Okay, next one should be coming right up, I hope. Oh. Okay, I forgot that it breaks when there's 2 in the queue. 1 second, you will get your message. I insist. But I programmed that a while ago, so I have to remember where everything is. Follow. Okay, so I have to delete that and paste that.
A warm welcome to you, Insularis Software, as you embark on your exciting journey with the esteemed Tapir tribe. May you find friendship and joy in our nature-loving community.
Yeah. I have a few things here that can result in chaos. I changed it to playground. Oh, actually I didn't remove the commands. Okay, cool. Both of them work. Yeah, there's a bunch of features. Like that one, if you know Reddit // place, that's that. You can place a pixel. Also, there's this thing that I forgot to turn on.
DVD.
At Insularis Software you can also join the Discord. DC.
Hey. I didn't even advertise this time. Okay, I'm very far about what I definitely have to, like, wait, how many was that in a row? Like,
Damn.
at least 2. So, where was I even? Right, building the gear system. That one's also done. So, also, Michi, what the fuck are you doing here? It's 4 a.m. How are you awake?
I will gladly join the Discord.
Hey, we got a new member.
COVID fucked my sleeping schedule bad.
Oh, you're sick as well. Well, get well soon. And nice that you're finally on a more sensible sleeping schedule for my taste.
Since 1.5 weeks yeah.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I've only been sick since like Friday, I think, and I didn't get very sick.
Yes, I have adapted to the best life.
Yeah, truly the best life. Yeah. Yeah, I think I didn't get too sick because I was sick like a month ago already with pretty much the same thing. So I'm hoping that this is as bad as it gets, which is honestly not too bad. I mean, on Friday it was kind of bad, but not too bad. So, oh yeah.
You still got to see Influencer Darts WM.
Yeah, a little bit. Like, basically, I watched that from my bed, and like, up until halftime, I was kinda like able to follow it. Then, like, the halftime show, I like got up out of my bed to like watch it at my laptop to see it better because that was just amazing. And then afterwards, I laid back into bed and like got hit so bad and was so tired and didn't get anything. Like, I barely understood who won. Yeah, but since then it's just been yeah, getting better. Yeah. Okay, let's make a deal. I have like 2 half cups of tea left here, and it's 4 a.m. and I'm a little sick, so yeah, wait, I think I can.
Helikopter
Yeah.
bös DFD FD 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 F.
Ah, there is. Okay.
Wart kein da TU drinking.
That's like herbal tea. Like, just something that feels like it's good if you have like a bit of a sore throat. Yeah. Also, I quite like
Not
that.
the
So.
kind he should be spilling.
Fair. Looking at my table, I'm not being good at that at that part.
Well skeptischer Smiley.
Yeah. It's fine. So, anyways, what I was saying, I have like 2 half cups of tea left.
Ha ha ha.
I will
TTS
continue
at its
streaming.
best.
I will continue streaming until those are empty, and then I'll call it a day, I think. But unless I get much worse sick tomorrow, then I will be back tomorrow. Was that an English sentence? I don't know. Probably not. You
I
get
wish
the
it was
idea.
Microsoft same.
What is Microsoft time? Like, all of those are Microsoft voices. What is... Wait. Let me write that down for later. Is it like a Windows built-in thing, or is that Microsoft Azure thing? Windows built-in thing, easy. Microsoft Azure, not so easy.
Microsoft same is the voice that sounds like a helicopter if you go swa.
Wait, is Sam one of the ones you can have?
ITS just will TTS eng ines. I can't use it in the Discord.
Wait. then it might. Wait, you have Hazel, which is Hazel, Hedda. I think Hedda is the German one. George, David, and Sierra are the ones that are available right now. Yeah, basically what I'm doing is I'm using like the built-in Microsoft TTS voices. I think I have the English one, like American English ones, UK English ones, a German one, and I don't know, one of them might be Australian, but I'm not sure, or Indian. If not, I really have to add those. Yeah. That's
if you like code that gives chat the ability to fuck with you, I'll drop some code in the Discord too. Yeah, they might be on that list.
Sure. Definitely. You've definitely got my attention. Where was I here?
My man has not seen the playground yet.
Yeah, he is. He is not ready. Yeah. I need to check equipped here. I need to set the sprite to that.
I think I'm ready.
Yeah, I mean, check out the playground. There's like a bunch of really random shits you can do with like this overlay that's going on here.
Playground.
Some of them I think have never been used because they're like really niche and you have to like do multiple steps to achieve that. Like in order to cite me, you first have to add a quote of me, so yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about the meme thing. Yeah, the meme thing is really funny.
Oh God, immer love using this.
Yeah. I don't know, if you know the streamer Duck, I basically rebuilt his meme overlay thing. For the meme.
I've been quote hunting for quite some time, but I haven't heard any top-notch stuff yet.
Yeah, that's so unlucky. Yeah. At some point you will find a good one. And the way I know you, it's gonna be a that's what she said joke, right?
Once I get affiliate, I want to set up pyrotechnics in the background for Chanel points. I gladly watch you to help out.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
There it is.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I also have some ideas for like when I hit affiliate at some point. I think I'm like 0.5 average watchers or so away from that.
What's the best way to
Yeah,
avoid gravity?
at 2.5. Ah, you found AI. Cool. Yeah, but
What's the best way to avoid gravity?
Oh, that was fast.
Ah, gravity. A force ever present in our world. To avoid its grasp, one must venture into the depths of outer space where its influence weakens, allowing for a brief moment of weightlessness and freedom from its pull.
I mean, sorta. You're still affected by gravity, but like you're just faster.
It was a chat only thing.
Nope, it is not. Nothing is a chat only thing, I think.
What LLM model are you running him on?
I think it's GPT 3.5, like the cheapest one. I was also hoping that it'll be the most random one, and it kind of is. So, yeah. Where was I before that? Oh yeah, right. Affiliate. Basically, once I hit affiliate, I'll make all of these like
fancy.
channel points things.
I thought it was a local model.
I thought about turning it into a local model because that would be kind of cooler, but like it was easier for to just use ChatGPT, and also that's like that costs basically nothing. Like sometime last year I put €5 in there, and like I've used like 2 of them so far.
Fair.
Even though I've used it quite a lot, and most of those €2 were like speech to text thing and GPT for like testing that out. Like GPT 3.5 is super cheap. That costs basically nothing. And for the text-to-speech thing, I'm running Tortoise TTS, which is actually a local thing. But that is also super slow, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, but I haven't found a better one yet. Because like the alternative is to use... Yeah. The alternative is basically 11 labs, and that is not cheap. That is expensive and very limited. I don't like that. Like mostly the very limited thing. Like if it was like pay 20, like it is basically pay $20 a month for basically nothing. If it was like pay $10 a month for a fair amount, then maybe I'd think about it. But nah. Yeah. I'm not gonna get anything done today, am I? Okay, which parts of these do I need? I need...
Reroll_voice.
I don't need the position.
That's just how some of these go LMAO.
Yeah, that just happens. But that's honestly that's the funniest ones.
Add quote that's what she said https://clips.twitch.tv/powerful_strong not like this -f9z1tlhfb-k-suzu1.
Oh. Reroll_voice.
Okay, first of all, I just realized that I need to filter out links even if in the middle of messages. And second, did you just like take the thing where I said the way I know you, it's
Quote
gonna be a
one.
that's what she said thing? Oh yeah, right, that was a test thing. You just
Almost heaven, West Virginia Blue Ridge Mountains. Shenandoah River life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains. Growing like a breeze, country roads.
I mean, I can
Take
just
me
like
home to the
say,
place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her, miner's lady.
Yeah.
Stranger to blue water, dark and dusty. Painted on the sky,
Oh, you
misty
mean
taste
like
of
cancel a
moonshine.
single one?
Teardrop
Yeah,
in my
probably.
eye, country roads. Take me home to the place
How long
I
is the
belong,
clip?
West Virginia.
How
M.
much did you copy paste? What the fuck will it say to that? Yeah, that was funny. Oh, yeah. I should definitely do something like that. Yeah. Basically, yeah, you can create codes and then like play them there. That one is the most... That one is basically the one I'm most worried about because... Yeah, that could get out of hand very quickly, I think. Also, I haven't found a way to like synchronize that with the Google Docs thing yet. Because like if you look at the Google Docs for the thing for the quote list, then the quote list is empty. But locally, it's now not empty anymore. One of them should be.
and comes back like
What the fuck?
Reroll_voice.
Okay. The coming back was actually super accurate. Okay, wait. I'm copy paste my thing in here.
Like this. Another sprinkler with
God damn it.
and Comes back like
I don't even see what the end of the message was. But like, why was it different? What the fuck happened there? Weird. Oh wait, no. It just sort of cancelled out all of the T's, right? Huh.
You really need a stop what you are reading button.
I mean, the stop what you're reading button is like just shutting down the whole thing, I suppose. It's fine.
Soy soy soy.
We can deal with a little bit of chaos here. So,
Say a arbitzer.
amazing. So that's basically all of the stuff I still need. So to figure out the current grade of the gear, okay, we already have the sprite. Okay, we need the last 3 sprites and last 3. Okay, fill gear slots. Needs inventory, and probably something else as well. Fill gear slots. Inventory. So first we get the current grade. Also we need both of these functions here, but only with 3.
Meme 0 when the barber has been closed.
Why is that up? Oh, it's also up down here. Oh, the outline is over there. Also, fuck you.
Where meme?
It was like 0 is over my cam. Yeah, I am the
this
meme.
One time was playing online Grand Theft Automobile when hit fellow video gamer car with my car. I exit automobile and attempt trading of insurance information when I am hit by pistol bullet.
Ooh,
Fellow gamer goes into my vehicular and drive a car.
very sad.
I am to look inside of his vehicular transportation when I cannot find vehicle registration under his name. Call local police officer but he is not help, he is say racism things at me.
Very sad. Streamer played Despacito.
Place X4Y8 orange.
So, where was I? Wait, what happened? Why did the text-to-speech stop? Did it crash? Oh, it crashed. Why did it crash? Oh, yeah.
Overlay booted up.
You have to get it exactly right, otherwise it crashes, by the way. You forgot the double dots in between the coordinates, and yeah, it would have been x double dot 4.
Break it.
Yeah, it's also maybe it's a lot of work. It was mostly just a, okay, let's try to get it to work in the best cases kind of thing. And yeah, definitely needs work to not crash all the time.
The ability to break your code without a single is amazing.
Yeah. So, why am I checking if it's or? Why am I checking this down here? The gear can't be or. What? Category, gear name, I. What is I? Oh, for I in 3? Like that.
Sue, I can't clip the Despacito thing cause the music is not in the VOD.
Yeah, that's kind of sad, but I mean, you can kind of clip it because like if I press things and it shows up here, so clip it anyways.
It's a moment the people that have been here will cherish.
Yeah, true. Not everything has to last forever. Also, hello Elmatero6 over on YouTube side. If you want to have fun with this bullshit, then yeah, Twitch is your way to go.
That's what she said.
It took a second.
Elmaturo 6 is me LMAO.
Oh. Ah, hilarious. Yeah. You can't do any of the overlay stuff from YouTube for two reasons actually. One,
But yet
because I don't know how to
GG
do
for
it.
allowing us to do goofy shit.
Yeah. The first reason is I don't know how to do it on YouTube. I think it's more complicated on YouTube, but probably possible. Two, even if like I could go and try to get it to work, but then I would have less of a reason to tell people from YouTube to go over to Twitch to increase my average viewership so I can hit affiliate. So why would I do that? Yeah. Maybe I'll do it once I hit affiliate. Once again, a reason to watch on Twitch. Yeah.
That do be how it goes.
Yeah. We are strong in the bait category here. So, is that what I was doing down there?
Meme 83 when Twitch is providing goofy stuff.
What is I? Wait, let me go back here before I destroyed that. Okay, for I in range 3. Okay, cool. Should be the same thing as that. So that should hopefully work. Oh shit, I didn't pay attention to the meme. Did it fit? Did it like at least somewhat fit? Was it a complete chaos? I don't know. I will never know.
Sad face.
Where is that?
NA.
Oh.
No meme.
Wait, no meme,
Check
no
the
meme at
Discord.
all?
I fixed the duck.
You fixed the duck? Wait. Yeah.
There's no
No
background on
meme
it
at
now.
all.
Oh. I mean, is it really that funny without the backgrounds? Also, let me check that. Actually, I'll Twitch on that side. Okay, that's hilarious. Ah, okay. I'll definitely have to check out your GitHub.
I mean, I can draw
Like
stick
the
legs
first
on
one
it.
is already hilarious. That would be hilarious as well. Ah. Interesting. Okay, but why did it not draw a meme? I'm pretty sure we have like 80
Give
plus
me 5.
things. Okay, I will replace that if you actually do that. Well, like, why the fuck did the meme not work? That was in the client side thing. Meme. Like, did you get the format completely right? Wait, what? Let me check. Meme number looks good. Oh, you have to provide a top and bottom text. You need both of them, otherwise it doesn't work, I think. So you could just like, I mean, you can leave the bottom text empty, but you need the quotes at least. I think that's the way it works. Yeah. Also, I don't know how many
Meme
how many
83
instructions
when
we have,
Twitch is
but-
providing goofy stuff.
That one fucking works. Also, the text is barely readable. Yeah, that definitely still needs some work. I'm sure that front end stuff. Anyways, Where was I here? Was I testing things? No, I wasn't, because I destroyed things down here. Doesn't matter. Oh shit. Current rate var current cat var current net, and I think that's all of them, right? Oh no, wait, I also need the sprite set texture. How did I get the sprite again? I did that in the inventory already, right? Okay, like that. So
Legs have been drawn.
okay, let me have a look. Masterpiece. Absolute masterpiece. Okay, wait. Save image. Oh fuck, where did I put that stuff? No, it was in here. Give me a second. I'm gonna replace it. Oh wait, it was not here. It was here. Here. Here.
Meme for me cause I gotta go.
Hey, cool. That actually works. Nice. Okay. Well, then, goodbye. Have a good night. Okay,
What
where the
does the
fuck
distraction counter
fuck
actually
saved?
count?
It counts me pressing this button every time.
Thanks you guys too.
Every time I got distracted. Yeah, but I usually forget to press it. So remind me to do that if you successfully distract me. Also, if I somehow get distracted by myself, which happens. Where the fuck is the duck thing saved? The placeholder.jpg. Oh, right. Ah. Oh, it didn't show up because it's a JPEG.
Intriguing.
Can I go do that? Okay. Wait, I saw something change here. Why is... Oh, here. There it is. Cool. Why does that not... Why was it not in that... Oh, move. Okay. And now let's move that to duck.jpg. And if I now restart this...
Overlay booted up.
I would have only had to reboot that and say, first of all, this, because it's very important.
DVD.
And that.
Duh.
Okay. That is amazing. Ah, cool. There we go. A brand new brand new image of a duck sliding across the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what it's all about. Okay, where was I? The free latest children. Okay, I can just go and say I write find child. Is that yeah? It is the item texture. Our sprite. I don't need text here. I need the texture region though. Which is this. So now let me see if that works. Oh shit. Okay, I broke a lot of things there. Let me just pretend that didn't happen. So, cool. Shit. Fuck. Okay. But... Okay, first of all, why did it show both for all of
Anarchy.
them? That's not great. And why did it crash? Oh yeah, because I didn't fix that yet. Right, I forgot. I think that should actually fix the crashing when I close it. I do return it, right? Okay. Wait, let me check. Does that fix the crashing? Okay, it does. Cool. Now, why the fuck do I have holes here?
How long have you been streaming for?
Today or in general? Today, 317? I guess you mean in general. Actively, regularly, I would say since around the beginning of the year.
In general.
Yeah, like actively since the beginning of the year, but then other than that, like every once in a while, like I have these phases where I like stream a couple of times and then don't do that for like half a year. Like back in 2020, I already streamed once and had like a follow alert that was a Nerf gun with a server attached to it that like shot me every time someone followed. That was really fun for the 50 seconds before it disassembled itself. I want to make something like that again, but yeah, haven't had time for doing that yet because I want to do it better this time. Yeah, but like every once in a while I had the idea to like stream, and like this time I've been at it for longer than usual. And I hope I keep it up because it's actually been kind of fun this time. So, that's it. My tea is basically empty now.
Makes sense.
So,
Haha. So I was informed by other developer friends that doing that with a Nerf gun actually violates TOS for self-harm. I don't know how true it is, but I want to do the same thing.
for Nerf gun? I mean, maybe. Okay, like, I mean, my newest version would be less extreme and would like kind of just shoot peanuts at my mouth, and I would try to catch that. So I don't think that would violate self-harm policies. But a Nerf gun?
I guess it's
I don't know.
because something resembling a gun is pointed at your head. XD.
Okay, yeah, like it maybe. Like, I'm not sure if they would enforce it for like something like that, but they might be like, hey, don't do that. But yeah, it's definitely like somewhere on the spectrum
Maybe.
of
No
having
clue.
a chance to be forbidden. So yeah, I also wouldn't do it with the Nerf gun anymore because like I was wearing safety glasses when I did that. But yeah, it was a stupid idea. Still hurt like hell. Mm-hmm. So, oh wait, I'm in the wrong function. Current grade. Oh, does it just
That's
wrap
good
around?
at least.
Okay.
I want to do it with
that
a
might be a problem.
450 nanometers blue laser diode that'll safely set cardboard on fire in the background.
Okay, I was very worried when you said 450 nanometer blue laser diode, until you said set things on fire in the background, because I was thinking the laser is going more towards your eyes, and for a blue laser, very bad idea. Yeah.
Wait, holy shit, it read off 450 nanometers as nanometer.
Oh, I didn't even notice this, but yeah, that's super cool. It can figure out like units. I mean, it's the thing that Microsoft
Yeah,
uses
nah,
for like
we are safe
reading
here.
stuff out. That's super cool. But yeah, like setting carpet on fire. That's a fucking alert. Does it like also extinguish the fire, or is that up to you? Or is like the carport isolated enough from other stuff that could catch on fire? Okay, so that's
No,
problem.
that's up to me XD.
Okay, that's a fun one. So why the fuck is that doing that?
It would be isolated too.
Okay. So okay, so the thing is, currently, I think the problem I'm having is that the current grade, like, everything is 0 because I don't have anything equipped. 142, oh, I do have things equipped. Okay, then my problem is not what I thought it was. I would still have to address that though, probably. If okay, but that would be like this, and that's it. Okay, current grade is correct. So, current category, print, add, I can do that. Five, 6, 0. Okay, again, looks fine. Oh, wait, did I? No. Sprite is Let's see if it's different once each time. It is. That's also technically good. Print current math. Okay, so
You'll be right back.
I might be gone by then. Just saying. I'm about to quit. I just want to figure out what the fuck that is supposed there. Just saying. So if I'm gone by then good night. Wait, what is it? Okay, I printed too many things. I got confused. 031, that's also fine. Add buttons, okay. Like, what's going on here? Yeah. So shows both of them. Okay, I don't know what's wrong here. All of that should be correct. That's not ideal. Set texture. Why? Can I like print the texture somehow? Does that tell me anything? Probably not. Less texture. Okay. Not really. Like if I change that, does that like change the texture that's showing? Yes, it does. So it does matter. But why is all of the three of them the same? It's like this one finds all of... Oh. It feels like this one changes all three of them at the same time. But I don't know why. Also, where's the bow? Bow is there. Might be of one with the sword. Okay, I don't know. But I think I'll call it a day here, and we will figure that out tomorrow. Most likely on stream, unless I get like really sick. But what I'll do is I think I'll radio over to just some other person who's doing the game jam. I will... Okay, that's... Do I go for the first person or do I just look for something interesting? Okay, I don't... Oh! There's a person. Cool. I will radio over to that person. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Wow, my voice is really giving out now. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the follow. Hope to see you around. That was the wrong button. And yeah, subscribe to you on YouTube.
Living
Discord.
Color is a banger.
You get it. Living Color is a banger? What is Living Color? Wait.
I will return.
Oh, Living Color is the band of the... yeah, sorry. I didn't know that band actually. Like, I know the song, but I didn't know it. But, okay. Anyways, yeah. Hope to see you around again. Anyways, good night, and I'll radio to some person who also does the parts of the game jam.
Avrock_12.
Arfik LMAO. Adios.
Did it work? Or did I fuck it up? Or did I fuck it up?
I just came from there.
Oh lord. Hilarious. Sending you right back. But wait, did the raid
No,
thing?
it's /raid.
Wait, did I? I did. Oh. Okay, it didn't work in the chat window I have on OBS. Anyways, /8 here. Invalid username. What? Stand by. Technical difficulties.
You'll get it eventually.
Yeah. We will get there. 1 second. 1 sec. Where the fuck? Wait. Did I get the username wrong? Avok.
Take your time.
12. There we go. Yeah. Wait. Oh, I changed the first the letters. Anyways, what happened? Okay.
No, that's the right username.
No, I changed the R and the V. That was the problem.
There it is.
Anyways, thanks for stopping by. See you around.